Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to this great week. We have a whole week with songs here to wish for, and you did that. And now we're here, and we have a song from Phoebe Bridgers, Scott Street. That's the song, and it's you, Azalea Nova. You wish for this one. Never heard this before. And yes, so thank you for being on this channel. If you want to thank me for this work and everybody who's watching this, then you do that in the best way. I have a new channel, so go and find that one. I'm gonna put the link up here. It's Gordon Guitar 6 strings ago. Go and subscribe there and show your appreciation for my work here. And that is very appreciated. Thank you so much. And now we can continue with the song. So we have a capo on third, and with that we have a couple of chords to go over. This is a nice song. I really love that and fits guitar very well. So not too hard to handle either. So capo on third, absolute best scenario to have the easiest chords possible. We're gonna start with G first, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And you're going to notice that we have one note that follows us through the entire song, and that will be that last third E. That will be pushed down through the entire song, actually. So next chord will be the D sus4. So that is open D, second G, third B, and that's third E. Then we have the A minor 7. Open A, second D, open G, first B, and third E. Then we have that A minor 7 slash B, because we're gonna need to change the bass note. So what you do there, you release that second fret D string. With that mid finger, you go up to the second fret A string instead. That is the B note, so therefore the A minor slash B. So that gives us second A, open D, open G, first B, and third E. And then we have the C. So third A, second D, open G, first B, and third E. And then finally, I believe the last chord here will be the D sus4 slash F sharp. Okay, so it goes second E, that's the F sharp note. Then open A, or if you want to, you can use that second E finger and lean on top of the A to get that muted. It's up to you. But you can go with open A as well. Then open D, second G, third B, and third E. Yeah, and there we have all the chords needed. Now, let's start this song to learn the strumming pattern. And G is the first chord, so grab that one. We have a strumming pattern that goes like this. We need to split it in two different parts, okay? So it's part 1, down, down, up, down, a short pause, and then down, up. That's part 1. And then part 2 is just down, up. And when you play them together, these two parts, it will be the down, ups comes right after each other. So it's down, down, up, down, up. For one round. A couple rounds. So we are starting the song, and the first verse is played G, one full round, part 1 and part 2. Then the D sus4, one full round. Then the A minor 7, part 1, the down, down, up. Then the A minor 7 slash B, part 2, just down, up. Then you go to C and play one full round. Okay? That is one chord progression. You're going to play it for 8 times. Let's do one time together. Slowly. It goes like this. One round. And again, standard tempo. Okay, so there we have the first 8 rounds of that. We are hitting the chords at yeah, later on, like 1 minute and 12 seconds in or so. And what you're gonna play now is the A minor 7 part 1, the A minor 7 slash B part 2. Then you go back to the A minor 7 and play 1 full round. Then G, 1 full round. The D sus4, 1 full round. And the C, 2 full rounds. And all that, 1 chord progression, and you're gonna play it for 2 times. So 1 round slowly goes like this. The last C chord here is played a little bit differently in this song, but just for you to understand how long you're going to stay on that chord, I'm using the same strumming pattern. This is a song played with feel sometimes. Sometimes it's a little bit different than just down, down, up, down, up. But just for you to understand and for educational purposes, it's easier to stay straight with one strumming pattern so you understand when it's time to switch chords, because that is much more important than getting the right downs and ups and all that. So for you to understand, it's C2 in the end there. I'm aware that it's not played exactly like that, but still, when you learn that, you can then switch up to go and play with feel, because then you understand when it's time to switch chords. Okay, just want to mention that. So 2 rounds of this chord progression, and that is the first chorus. Then you jump back to play the second verse, play exactly the same way, 8 rounds, and then back to the second chorus again, just repetition. 2 rounds of that new chord progression. After that, you're gonna hit the final part actually of the song. It's the bridge slash outro part, like 2 minutes and 59 seconds in. And what you're gonna play here is G, 2 full string rounds, the D sus4 slash F sharp, 2 string rounds, and the C, 4 string rounds. That being 1 chord progression, G2, DF2, C4. You're gonna play that for 10 rounds. Let's go for 1 round. And 10 rounds of that, guys, finishes the song from Bridgers. It's called Scott Street. Thank you, Azalea Nova, for being here on this channel. And thank you for subscribing to my new channel. Appreciate that. Do that as fast as you can. And that helps me out a lot. So that is your way to thanking me. And continue to wish on this channel. Love that, to bring up your songs. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope to see you soon. Until next time, play tuned.